What's up, guys? So today we're here with Project BUICK. As you can see, it's a real mess right now. So right now we've been trying to start her up. Got the carburetor hooked up, fuel, spark, but nothing. So we're getting spark, but I don't believe we're getting fuel inside the cylinders. So this carburetor is a Holley 750 4-barrel secondary vacuum. Got it off a trade about a year and a half ago, and the guy had told me that it was rebuilt and basically ready to go, ready to install. So we hooked her up, hooked up the electric fuel pump to it. We're getting fuel into the bowls, but no fuel coming out of the jets, which leads me to believe something's clogged. And I don't know anything really about carburetors, and I decided, you know what, bought a $40 or $50 rebuild kit. Why not? Let's just try to rebuild it. Don't know what I'm doing, but there's a first time for everything. So I'm gonna take this thing apart, clean it, and do the best we can at rebuilding, and maybe just buy another one. So let's see how this goes.
Just because we're not alone, you echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because it feels the same till the morning calls. Even ropes feel the sun so cold. Just because we're not alone, you echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because it feels the same till the morning calls. Even ropes feel the sun so cold.
hip hop distribution.